Hey guys, welcome back to NextGenBlogger, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a sticker text effect in Gimp. So we will be creating a sticker text like this, and it is actually super easy to create this kind of stuff in the Gimp editor. So without further delay, let's get started. Now the first thing which I would like to do is I would like to create a new image with a transparent background. So go to File and click on New, and let the dimensions be 1280 by 720, and click on Advanced Options, and inside Fill With select Transparency and click on OK. Now the next thing which you need to do is you need to add this color on the background. So click on foreground color, and inside the HTML notation text box write this HTML notation AD AB D8 and click on OK. Now go to Edit and select Fill With Foreground Color. Now the next thing which you need to do is write some text on top of your image. So select the text tool from the toolbox and write some text on top of the image. So let me just write the text next, and let me just change the font of my text to sans serif, and let me just also increase the font size from 30 pixels to 300 pixels, and let's just also change the color. So let me just write the HTML notation inside the text box 72 D9 and 56, and let me just click on OK. Now let me just increase the text box size so that it fits the text perfectly like this, and let me just use the move tool to move the text box a little bit higher. Perfect. Now the next thing which you need to do is you need to create a new layer with a transparent background. So click on this option right here which says create a new layer and add it to the image, and let the new layer name be layer and the fill width be transparency. So click on OK. Now drag this new transparent layer below the text layer like this, and click on the text layer, right click and select alpha to selection. Now click on the transparent layer which you created, and go to select and click on grow. So we will grow our selection by 40 pixels. So 40 is already written right here in the text box, and click on OK. Now if I just zoom in a little bit, you will see certain portion which are there which I need to remove. So I have this portion right here and just a tiny dot right here. So I will be using the free select tool to remove this small portion which are present right here inside the selection. So if you also have such small portion appearing beside your text inside the selection, select the free select tool and select the mode as add to the current selection. So we have 4 mode inside free select tool. So select the second mode which is add to the current selection, and then all you need to do is cover the selection like this, and that's it. Now click on the move tool. Perfect. Now once again select the free select tool, and again let me just surround this small selection which have appeared right here. That's it. And again click on the move tool. Perfect. Now the next thing which you need to do is go to select and click on feather. So we will feather our selection by 2 pixels. So 2.000 is the value which you need to fit inside the text box, and click on OK. Now finally, as you can see in my background color, white color is already set. So let me just go to edit and let me just click on fill with background color and go to select and click on none. Now the next thing which I will be doing is, if I go back to my image, as you can see, the top half has a different color and the bottom half has a different color. So I will be changing the color of the bottom half. So for that purpose, select the rectangle select tool from the toolbox and oops, just a second. So we need to do another thing. We need to create a new layer with a transparent background. So click on this option right here once again, which says create a new layer and add it to the image, and the layer name be layer and the fill width be transparency. Click on OK. As you can see, a new layer has been created, and what I need to do now is click on the text layer, right click and select alpha to selection, and now click on the new transparent layer which you just created, which is above the text layer, and now select the rectangle select tool from the toolbox and draw the rectangle right here like this, so that it covers the top half of the text. Perfect. And one thing which you need to remember is that when you are kind of drawing the rectangle from the top half of the text, the mode should be subtract from the current selection. So the rectangle select tool also has 4 modes. The first is replace the current selection, second is add to the current selection, third is subtract from the current selection, and fourth is intersect with the current selection. So you need to select the third mode, which is subtract from the current selection, and then you need to mark your rectangle on the top half of the text like this. And finally click on the move tool, and what you need to do now is let me just click on the foreground color and let me just enter another HTML notation, which is 60 BF and 47, and let me just click on OK. And now go to edit and select fill with foreground color. So as you can see, I've successfully changed the color of the bottom half of my text, and now just go to select and click on none. If I just zoom out a little bit, perfect. Now we are almost done with our tutorial, and just one final thing needs to be done. So click on this layer right here and go to filters, go to light and shadow and select drop shadow legacy. So we are going to add shadow to our sticker, and increase the offset X and offset Y from 4 to 8, and let all the remaining options be the same, and simply click on OK. And that's it. So we have successfully created a new sticker, and that's it guys. This is how you can create a sticker text in Gimp. Do share with me your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.